Today we're tackling a common but messy problem for guinea pig owners, which is how to get their pee stains out of their mats that line their cages and then also their toys and things like that. Everything stains. So that's what I want to try to figure out how to deal with. So I am testing today 3 popular methods. The first one that I'm going to use is white vinegar mixed with water. The second one is going to be baking soda mixed with the white vinegar. And then the third option is my trusty shout. Stick around to see which one worked best, which one left some residue, and what budget-friendly option you should consider.
Vacuuming the floor, moving to the beat, turning up the volume, tapping my feet, folding up the laundry, colors all around, making every moment feel like a playground. Oh, chores can be fun, dancing while I scrub, singing to the rhythm.
I'm going to go ahead and wash this on the normal cycle, but I am going to put that it has heavy soil. Please note that because guinea pigs are sensitive to smells, we are using Tide Free and Gentle. Here we go.
This was my favorite surprise. Everywhere that we used just the white vinegar and water, absolutely gone. I don't see any residue whatsoever. This is where we used Shout. It's absolutely completely clear, exactly what I would expect from my absolute favorite stain remover. Here are the results of the white vinegar and baking soda. For the most part, it's really pretty clean. I do see a couple of spots right here. You can kind of still see a little bit of that yellow. So I'm not quite sold on this as a combination. So after testing all 3 methods, it is clear that white vinegar is a winner, as is Shout. If you want a natural but inexpensive option, I would definitely consider just using the white vinegar mixed in with some water. It's great and easy to have on hand. You can put it in a spray bottle and just squirt. Otherwise, I always have Shout sitting right next to my washing machine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet care tips. And let me know in the comments if you have other suggestions for stain removers that I can use or any tips for taking care of our new baby guinea pigs. This is Hazelnut. Thanks for watching. I am the Modern Millennial. See you next time.